Hello, this is LEGO Studios 9083, and this is my third review, and it is on the LEGO City recycling truck. Now, this set is exclusive to Walmart, and you cannot find it anywhere else except for the internet. If you want this set, then go to your nearest Walmart. Alright, just an overview of the set. Yeah. Alright, now the box art. It's got that's the recycling truck. There's the minifigure with a wheelbarrow, forklift, the dumpsters, and our recycling bin. This is for ages 5 to 12. It's set number 4206. It's obviously called a recycling truck, and it has 297 pieces. If you didn't see the past video, I'm going to read you the warning again. Small parts not for children under 3 years. Again, obvious. Alright, so, yeah. And on the back, there's the usual comic. Yeah, it's got 3 bags. The first one makes the recycling center, the second one makes the recycling truck, and the third makes the forklift. So, yeah. Alright, now moving on to the directions. This is the, it comes in 2 parts. See, there's the forklift and there's the recycling center and dump truck, well, recycling truck, whatever it's called. Yeah, so, so you know, and it'll always come in the front of the directions. Do not put them on a non-flat surface, and don't mix the bags together. Yeah. So, and what I'm wondering here is this woman has what appears to be a piece of paper, and this is a trash can in case you don't know, and there is a recycling center right nearby, and I do not understand why she can't just walk over and dump the piece of paper in, because look, paper, blue one's paper. So I guess she must not be very environmentally friendly, or friendly at all. I hate her. Alright, so yeah, this is, this flat piece on the bottom comes in the box outside of the bags, like all big pieces do. See, all the dumpsters have this layout. Moving on to the recycling truck. What I don't understand is why the back sticks out like that. It just looks weird. Alright, that's the first set of directions. And the second one is pretty much the same. It's the forklift. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. We are doing renovation, and yeah, the room I am filming in has been completely ripped up because the floor is just plank wood, paint stains. And in the back, there's an advertisement for all the transport sets. Yeah. And here there's Forest Police, Forest Fire Squad, and LEGO City Online. There's an advertisement for the LEGO Club, and all the pieces. Alright, so those are the directions. And now, finally, the set. Alright, let's see, this is the woman who's just casually going to the recycling center to throw her trash away, and she comes with that little white thing, a 1x2. Stupid minifigures won't stay down. Alright. This is the second guy that drives the forklift. He's got a blue cap, an orange builder torso, and he comes with a shovel. And he's got the beige-ish pants. And he has that face. And the last guy is the... Oh my god. That fell off. Hold on. Yeah, alright. And the last guy drives the recycling truck. He's got a red cap. He's got the sunglass, cool looking face. And yet he has overalls and orange pants. And he also comes with a shovel. There's the little trash can thing. A 2x2. There's a broom and a couple studs to go in a wheelbarrow, which can be held by a minifigure. Hold on, let me just... all I gotta do is just put them at the sides, and for those of you who haven't seen the wheelbarrow, there. And broom goes in, and the studs. And anything extra. Yeah. Okay. Alright, next, the recycling center. It's like this with a couple fence posts and 3 signs. The blue one is for paper, the yellow one is for aluminum, cans and stuff, and the red one's for bottles. Why cans and bottles aren't in the same one, I have no idea, but it's not my thing. Alright, here are the bins. This is the bottle bin. It comes with a round transparent stud thing, I don't know. It comes with a clear bottle, and it also comes with a nose cone, rounded nose cone. Next we have the cans. It comes with 3. 2 of them are light blue and 1 of them is light green, and then there's the paper, and it comes with 1 little letter and a beige-ish piece, which I don't know why called paper. And all you gotta do is just really pop them in. Look at that. Because inside there's like a space for just that sort of thing. Let me just put them all in so I can show you the next things. Alright. So, and if you'll notice in the recycling center, there are there are like 2x2 tiles with single studs in the middle. If you take the bins, they fit in them. Like that. And you get that. Alright, next, the recycling truck. We're going in order by the directions here, so if you wanted something before this, yeah. Alright, so, here it is. It's got the flip down mirrors like that. And it also has these on the back. It's got a flatbed, so you can put the bins, whatever they are, here as well. Kind of like this. I'm gonna get on there. And what I really like about this, if you open up to the cabin, Lego has finally come to their sentences and put the wheel on one side instead of the middle. Because in real life, we don't drive cars in the middle. Because in real life, we drive, well, if you're an American, we drive on the left, and if you're British, you drive on the right. So, thank you, Lego, and keep it up. Yes, and I think there's room for another guy if you position them right there. Alright, so that's the recycling truck. The guy goes in there. And finally, the forklift. Now, one thing that got wrong with this, normal forklifts, in case you haven't seen one, the cabin, believe it or not, this part is facing backwards. And here they put it forwards, which I don't understand. Alright, so it's got a moving arm. And if you take a bin, it's just between the forks, and you'll lift it up. There. It's got this little prong here. If you lift it up like this, it can go anywhere, and if you put it over here so that it goes on top of here, then it stays up like that. It's got a steering wheel and one lever inside. And this is the back. Yeah, so there is the Lego City Recycling Center.